This is so exciting!
Whoa, Featherface, calm down. It's not like you have your Eagle Jet flight certificate yet. There is still the test.
I know, but that should be a breeze. I totally aced the theoretical exam with 1,000 correct answers.
Yeah, but one thing is theory. Another thing is...
So, Eris, big day for you. Hope you have studied your theory. Follow my instructions precisely and to the point, and you should do fine. Commencing aeronautical aviational maneuverability assessment now.
Good luck, Eris!
Luck is not a factor for this bird.
Good luck anyway.
This is Ewald.
Let's ease our way into this. Start with an inverted flip barrel claw streak.
Okay.
And now a rise.
Charge feather buster rope.
Moving on to a
Deep spin brake beak loop.
Ewald, are you sure about this? You've got your papers upside down!
Interesting observation, Laval. It would appear my papers are completely upside down. Ah, yes. Palm, spread wing, slow brake. A bit hard on the re-entry there, Eris. Failed, I am afraid. You need to pay more attention to the instructions. Try again tomorrow, shall we?